Good evening to my all teacher, parents, and all my dear friends. I'm here. I'm Suman Kanojia from the Bawara, reading class 12, which allows me to learn the traditional boundaries over time. And I wish you all very happy Independence Day. And guys, now I'm here. I stand here as not as a student, not as an Indian citizen, but here I am as either million dreams of our dreams. As I am here, the thousand sacrifices. As I am child of the motherland, who heartbeats of the those. It's my own. Independence Day is not the monthly date. It is the 15th August in 1947. This is the soul of the break, the Jew years, the colonial rules, which is the broken by our sacrificer. So I want to tell about this day. This day we have not gotten the in easily. For this day we will have to give a lot of sacrifice for the Independence Day. If I talk about the Independence Day, so this is that day. There is always big gate, but you know what is the means of the freedom. So I would like to tell you about the freedom. This day, like when the Mangal Pandey lead the first spark of the revolt in 1857, this day, it is not the only soldier anger, it was the roar of the billions unborn Indians. When the Bhagat Singh kissed the gallows, that was the not only the deed, it was the courage of the Abris and billion Indians. When the Mahatma Gandhi started the mild salt, it was the not only the salt, it was the self-respect. Every Indian must think about these things. We are the Indian and we should be the proud to be the Indians, and always want to tell about this as one line for the Indians. This is for the armies, our armies. कि वो देश मेरे तू जीता रहे तूने शेर के बच्चे पाले हैं, वो देश मेरे तू जीता रहे तूने शेर के बच्चे पाले हैं, एक लाल हुआ कुर्बान तो क्या 100 लाल तेरे रखवाले हैं, माथे पे वतन की खाक लगे कि माथे पे वतन की खाक लगे, सीने पे गोली लगे पर वर्दी पे कभी ना दाग लगे।
वाह 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 वाह।